You got to look at this transformation. Super cool. Homeowner installed it. They filmed a lot of the process. We're going to show you the video here. You're going to see how truly simple our counter kits are to install. Enjoy the video.
I just got my Leggari countertop kit in and I am super excited. This is going to be a great project. So I mixed up the primer and we're going to get that ready to go, and we're going to apply that and hope it goes well. Applying the base coat.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, share the video, help us get the word out. This product is amazing and it's changing the countertop and flooring industry. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on. That way you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on our social media sites too, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're always posting customer installs there, and you can see what people are doing with our products. It's truly amazing. Our systems are one of a kind every time, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.